This video poster presents a book about Australasian tektites. It contains 42 chapters, as well as a dictionary and a reference list. After watching each video poster, you can download relevant chapters for detailed readings, using the link in the description below. Khorat basalt eruptions. The basalt eruptions are part of a larger Cenozoic intraplate volcanism, less than 16 million years old, around the South China Sea, from the Hainan mantle plume. Khorat Plateau basalt is the youngest in the Cenozoic basalt. It is located in a line east to west, south of, and parallel to the Muong River. The westerly parts are the youngest, 0.92 plus minus 0.3 million years, and the easterly parts 3.28 plus minus 0.48 million years. The youngest basalt uncertainty of plus minus 0.3 million years spans the tektite creation impact time, around 0.789 million years ago. Late Cenozoic volcanic rocks are mainly distributed within the red circle, dashed line, and include the Lijiao Peninsula, Hainan Island, Pearl River Mouth Basin, Bibu Gulf, Indochina Block and the Khorat Plateau. Sketch map of Thailand and surrounding regions showing the late Cenozoic volcanic centers with ages, principal Cenozoic faults and Paleotethous sutures, national boundaries and sampling locations. Detailed geological map of the Nakhon Ratchasima basalt. The basalt age is 0.92 plus minus 0.3 million years. The cross-section D is displayed below. Dark blue lines are 200-meter contours, the yellow lines are 250-meter contours and the light blue lines are 300-meter contours. Short dotted lines show fault lines. Note the division between the large flow basalt and a smaller area separated by the KPP, Hufan sandstone. The creation is suggested to be a two-step event, triggered by a celestial body impact, that created the Australasian tektites. First stage was a phreatic eruption, mostly of gases, triggered by the sudden pressure release in the Hainan mantle plume, when the transient crater was excavated down to 5 kilometers depth. This would mostly release sulfur, carbon oxide and other volatiles, as the quartz sandstones were already comminuted and expelled by a hydrothermal groundwater explosion from the impact. The second stage was a basalt flow, filling the final crater with different layers of basalt. Later a torrential flash flooding took place, creating the present landscape and covering the edges of the basalt up to 60 meters elevation with gravel, creating the sharp basalt edges, by erosion.